That's solid. Hopefully that's enough.
So what this needs is more pressure on the ratchet system. So rather than modifying the existing part, I designed and printed this 3D printed this ring that sits below the top cap and eliminates the space between that top cap and the ratchet system. So if the ratchet system can't move as much, it necessarily then has more pressure on the ratchets and holds things in place.